Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're taking a closer look at Shopify email and Klaviyo email, two popular tools used by online store owners who want to send better emails and make more sales. So, by the end of this video, you'll know which one fits your needs better. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, a quick start with a brief overview. Both platforms will help you send marketing emails, automate messages, and stay connected with your customers. But they've built different goals, they're built rather with different goals in mind. Shopify email is made for store owners who want something simple, easy, and already connected to their Shopify store. Klaviyo, well, that's made for people who want deeper data, stronger personalization, and advanced automation. So even though they do similar things, they take very different approaches. Let's compare their features. Shopify email really focuses on ease of use. Since it's built inside of Shopify, everything feels kind of smooth. You get ready-made templates, drag and drop editing, product cards that automatically pull your items into emails, and basic automations like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and product recommendations. It also gives you simple customer segmentation so that you can send messages to specific groups. And all your email analytics show up inside the same dashboard where you manage your store. It's perfect if you want something clean and very straightforward without learning curves. Klaviyo, on the other hand, is much more powerful. It's built really for serious email marketers who want to send targeted messages based on customer behavior. Klaviyo tracks things like browsing activity, purchase history, email engagement, and even predictive metrics like expected lifetime value. This lets you build advanced automation flows that feel very personal, such as multi-step welcome journeys, post-purchase follow-ups, win-back campaigns, and more. You also get very detailed segmentation options, A/B testing, advanced reporting, and the ability to combine email with SMS for multi-channel marketing. Klaviyo takes more time to learn, but gives you deeper control and better long-term results if you want strong personalization. Let's talk about pricing, which is a big factor for really almost everyone. Shopify email is the simplest option when it comes to cost. You get 10,000 emails free every month. After that, you pay only $1 per additional 1,000 emails. That means the price stays low as long as your email volume doesn't explode. It's a great choice if you're just starting out or if your list is still kind of small. Klaviyo's pricing depends on the size of your contact list. The email plan starts at $45 per month for up to 15,000 emails per month. As your subscriber count grows, the monthly cost increases. Klaviyo is more expensive because it offers more advanced features and much deeper analytics, so it's usually chosen by businesses that are really looking for strong personalization or have a long-term growth strategy. Now, which is the best one for you? If you want something easy, simple, affordable, and already built into your Shopify store, well, then Shopify email is the best pick. But if you want advanced automation, deep, detailed segmentation, and data-driven email marketing, Klaviyo is the stronger choice, even though it does cost more. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.